student, everyone. Today we're gonna be study Arthur introducing the self first, right? Okay, sir. The introducing the self first. The first of all, the first you put introduce yourself, the name, surname, and also where you live, and you can say age, and also the place that you were born, and sometimes the school that you study and your job. And then lastly, if you have any interesting or maybe in the future you need to be a teacher, doctor, and so on, the job that you need to be, you can say, right? Okay, good. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mang Wongdala. I am 20 years old. I am from Acapulco province. Now I live in Kampong Temple. I am a student and I study English at English Center. Thanks for your watching and listening.